Nainggit ako.
It's ended when you say goodbye. Chinese, go.
Tama na. Ay, mata. Yan na that song? Yeah. When you sing.
And they call it happy love.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart really feels, and why I love her so. And they call it happy love.
Pagkatapos ko talaga.
Just because
Kaya 200 lang. $200.
Oh, yeah.
Yung Alex. Hindi, pero meron siyang portable.
Oh.
Kasi
magkakaiba yan?
There's a 200, there's 400, there's 600,
Oh,
there's
yeah.
1,000.
But this is the top song.
This is like
Yeah, but it's 1,000 yan. Kasi si Mrs. Daud, 1,000.
Chris Lalinga, 1,800, 1,500.
Yeah.
She's getting
Because Mrs. Daud by the bats.
Never nagwala na yung isa.
maybe someday you'll be back in my arms. Someone help me, please. Is this the answer of above? How can I, oh how can I tell them this is not a happy life? Someone help me,
Parang si kami,
please.
si Barbara Streisand.
Is the answer of above? How can I, oh how can I tell them this is not a happy life?
Next talent, Miss Sidano. Miss Lopez. Number 7. 70 day mas? Yeah.
Just borrowed this in order me DJ record. Pinhampay si Piper. We just borrowed this.
Sinana nga? Nalangag kwet.
Raindrops keep falling in my head. Oh yeah.
Just falling on my head.
All my troubles seem so far.
Yeah, lagay ko pa lang. Ito yung lagay. Wala yung tracing.
There. Madam.
Green fields kissed by the sun. Once there was valleys wherever used to run. Once there was blue skies and white clouds above. Once there were part of an everlasting love. We were the loved ones for sure. Through grand fields, grain fields were gone now, parched by the sun, gone from the valleys wherever used to run, gone with the cold wind that swept into my heart, gone with the lovers who let their dreams depart. Where are the green fields that we used to? I'll never know what made you run away. How can I keep sweet sing when the clouds out of day? wide world left for me to see. But I'll keep on waiting until you return. I'll keep on waiting until the day you learn. You can be happy while your heart's on the road. You can be happy until you bring it home to the green fields and me once again.
Hey, sikat the next. Gusto niyo ilagay natin sa date mo ba? Ah.
Never knew that made you run away. How can I keep searching when dark clouds hide the day? I only know there's nothing here for me, nothing in this wide world left from me to see. But I keep waiting until you return. I'll keep on waiting until the day you learn. You can be happy while your heart's on the road. You can be happy until you bring it home, home to the green fields and me once again.
Adora ni kay Ilocano. Ano pa?
Okay.
Ito maganda.
Fernando said he wants to sing one more and then
Okay,
we'll
sing.
have a meeting. And then we'll go back again and sing. Okay, if you want.
Did I see that? Ni Manang Mila. No. You. Sing pa yun. Ni Manang Mila. No. Kanta ka Manang. Ngiti kahit ulit ka.
Let her sing later on.
Teka. Barbara.
Little known towns looks the same as I step down from the train, and there's to meet me with my mother and papa. Down the road I know yonder rosemary, hair of golden leaves like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Yes, the old town to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green grass of home. The old house still standing, though the bend is flat and dry, and there's that old tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I know my street, her old gold and leaves like